Whenever I'm in Strasbourg, I always say that it's been really busy and it's been really interesting, but this week has been an exceptional one because following the Greek referendum on Sunday, everyone has been discussing the future of Greece, but the future of Europe itself as well. And we had a debate on that in the Parliament this morning, and the Greek Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras came to hear the debate, to take part in it. He spoke in the debate as well, and he was here for the whole morning. We've also had a really important vote today on TTIP, the trade agreement between the United States and the EU. It wasn't the final vote on whether TTIP goes ahead or not, but it was given the views of the Parliament. A very disappointing result from my point of view, but a lot of attention has been centred on the Parliament in Strasbourg this week for those two reasons and for many others as well. And Gwern Ifans is here with us from Cardiff this week. You've chosen an amazing week to come out. So what are you doing here? What have you been doing this week?
Well, this week I've been seeing how basically how the European Parliament works. So I've seen your work with Heddydd. I've also been in this amazing piece of the building where all the main discussions happen, and it's been incredible just viewing it from a citizen's point of view, which has been so important because I don't feel there's enough engagement from the British public especially in European affairs. So that's been nice engaging in that. I've also seen how smaller meetings work and how discussions get carried in those places, and that's been an eye-opener as well. It's all been an eye-opener, and I've enjoyed the whole experience, and I've tried to take it all in, but I'll have to digest it after I get home to Wales.
You've seen the Prime Minister and heard the Prime Minister of Greece speaking this morning. You know what a crucial time this is, of course, for Europe, and you're going to another meeting today on the UK referendum. So what are your views on all of this?
Personally, after seeing how the EU works and in Strasbourg works, and how I think effective it is and how much good work they do, I very much hope that Britain does not leave the EU, so I'll certainly be on the side of Plaid Cymru and many other progressive parties out there that we shouldn't leave. Possibly, and I think there should be reforms, but I don't think an exit is the way we should go ahead with things. But it'll still be interesting hearing the debate on it. I think there needs to be a debate on it, and I think it's good that opposite sides of the debate, UKIP and possibly Plaid Cymru and the Greens and Labour, do get into discussion about things and the future of Europe and how we can go ahead with Europe and make it more effective. So it'll be interesting going to that discussion and seeing how things go.